Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this page of X here and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can click on support. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for